At least 26 people have been killed and more than 147 injured in a powerful earthquake that struck the Philippines. Many remains missing. According to BBC report, the earthquake hit the central region of the country at 9:50 p.m. local time on September 30. The quake measured 6.9 on the Richter scale. Authorities fear the death toll may rise further as rescue operations continue. The U.S. Geological Survey (USGS) stated that the quake's epicenter was near Bogo City in the northern part of Cebu Island. However, AFP reported that the epicenter was in Calab municipality of Bohol province. The earthquake originated about 11 kilometers east-southeast of the municipality, 11 kilometers deep under the sea. The area is home to nearly 33,000 people. Initially, the quake was recorded as magnitude 7, but the USGS later received it to 6.9. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center confirmed there is no major tsunami threat and no additional measures are required. The Philippines, located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, frequently experiences earthquakes. While most tremors go unnoticed, occasionally large and destructive quakes strike without warning. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.